Today we are looking at the chart of Venki's India. What I'm interested in is this falling trend line which has acted as a sturdy resistance multiple times before. In today's trade, the stock not only breached this trend line along with the breakout of its previous swing high, but was also able to close very near to the breakout level of this rising channel pattern. That too along with a volume spurt. I'm expecting a target of 3367 for short term and a target of 3733 for medium term perspective with a daily closing basis stop loss of 2966 while setting the risk to reward ratio for this trade setup at 1:3. Thank you.